Hello, I saw your question on discussion board. You want to multiply the complex number and simplify pairs of I. And so this is the given problem. You have the quantity 6i plus 7, close the quantity squared. Anytime you have a binomial squared or a complex number squared, what I highly recommend is you write it down twice. So you want to multiply this complex number times itself. And typically the way people do that, they use some mnemonic device called the full method. Which full stands for you multiply first, outer, inner, and last. So over here I'm multiplying the first. This is the first, outer, inner, and last. And so you want to multiply the first, 6i times 6i, that's what I have here. You want to multiply the outer, 6i times 7, then 7 times 6i, and then multiply the last, 7 times 7. Back here, 6 times 6, 36, I times I squared. This is 42i, another 42i, and 49. Combine the 42s, we have 84i. I squared, by definition, I squared is negative 1. So anytime you have an I squared, you replace it to negative 1. That's what they mean by simplifying pairs of I. So replace that with negative 1, so it becomes a negative 36 plus 84i plus 49. Combine your constants here, that will give you 13 plus 84i. Hope this helps.